Hello and good evening. This is Mahmoud Draz speaking. Today we will be presenting our project for IIS. Um, this These are the seat numbers and the names and the roles of the people who participated in this project. So our project is about a company named Green Earth Company, or GE.co, for solid waste recycling and redistribution. It's an innovative and ambitious as well as experienced company situated in the Middle East. It's specialized in solid waste management and material recovery to be remade into usable products and are sold for considerable prices. And for Green Earth Company, we have two main suppliers who supply us with the raw materials, which are the solid waste. Our suppliers are Tahya Masr Company and Al Muqawlun Al Arab. They are well-known companies in Egypt, and they will be our suppliers for this project. Next will be our item list. We have our plastic waste, which will be our raw material, and we have also the plastic product. And now moving on to the customer. Our customer here will be Bilal Company. And for our bill of material, our finished product here will be product one, or one product. And for every one product, لكل finished product واحد, we will need 4 of the raw materials, 4 units للplastic waste. Okay. Now moving on. So moving on to the sale process, our customer, who is Bilal Company, we will move to sales, then open here sales order and create a new sales order for our customer Bilal, of course. In this blank spot, we'll choose Bilal, our customer. وفي الدليفري ديت هنختار 30 of June 2021. Moving on, هنروح عند الايتم code to choose our client's request. هنختار product 1. product 1 ده طبعا البلاستيك اللي هو الريسايكلد بلاستيك ويست اللي احنا هنبيعه للكاستمر. هنختار quantity مثلا 10، والكوانتيتي ال10 ده هيبقى الاماونت in money هيبقى ب 200 جنيه مصري طبعا. هنعمل save. كده كده خلاص سجلنا السيلز اوردر بتاع الكاستمر بتاعنا، وهنموف اون ل المانيفاكتشرر. Here, after finishing the sales order for Bilal Company, we see the order here is completed. The order for product plastic products finished goods. And the quantity here, as we said before, quantity هنا تبقى ب10 والاماونت في الاخر طلعت فعلا ب 200 او 200 جنيه مصري.
Good evening again. This is Marina speaking. I'm going to give you a brief introduction regarding to the manufacturing plan. We're going to select manufacturing. Yes, here we are going to the production plan. After this, we're going to see the sales order here. Here we have the planned quantity, which is 10, that we need to manufacture 10 quantity of the product itself. And to manufacture like 10 quantity, we need a raw material like 40. The required quantity to produce like 10 products, we need 40. After this, we're moving to the next part. So we get back to the work order to just reveal like the project that we worked on. We have here the 10 items that we already produced. We previously worked on the website, so we produced the 10 items that we spoke about before. And we named it here plastic products. Then we have here the warehouse. We worked in it previously. It's already finished. We entered like the raw material, and we saved the work order, and here the quantity, which is we already consumed to produce the 10 items that we spoke about before. And after this, we just saved the 10 products that we already produced. So moving on, we here have the bill of materials. We're moving to the workstation to just reveal the costs and the operating costs here, the electricity cost and the renting cost and the wages of and the salaries and all the costs that we consume to get our products done, the 10 quantities that we spoke about. And here we have the working hours. Moving to the next part. So moving after we just decided the workstation and the salaries and stuff, we're going to add this to the operation. Right here, we're going to click the operation, yes. We're going to assign the workstation to the operation, like to save all the wages that we already saved on the website. And we're going to click save right here up. And that's how we saved our workstation. We assigned it to the operation step. Moving to the last step in our manufacturing process, we're going to go to the work order. We're going to reveal here the product that we already made. You're going to find the status is completed because we already worked on it. And this is briefly the manufacturing steps, and we're moving to the next part of our video, which is stock.
Hello and good evening. This is Dalal Sharif is speaking. I will talk about the stock part. So we will go select sales order. I will find to level and go to create, then select pick list. This is a sales order of customer Bilal company after saving and submitted. After we finished the pick list and delivery mode, هي already خلاص transformed from to deliver to bill. Bilal company received the sales invoice and paid. Quantity is 10. Price for each unit is 20. The total amount is 200. Then so this is the sales invoice after paid.
Hello, this is Omnia speaking for accounting part. This is a payment entry for customer bill. The mode of payment is cash for customer bill. The amount of entry is 200.
So after finishing the manufacturing and the stocks and the accounting processes, we will find at the sales order that the order here is completed.
We will buy the raw materials in order to manufacture the product. We'll go for buying and then request for quotation. And now we have requested the materials from our suppliers. This is the first material from first supplier in مقاولون العرب. Then this is the material we requested from the second supplier تحيا مصر. Since our raw material are waste, the cost of materials is low or zero. Now, after finishing the quotations and choosing between two alternatives, we will go to purchase order. And the best supplier alternative, as you see, is مقاولون العرب, so we choose it. This is the receipt of مقاولون العرب purchase order. And the cost is low or zero because it's a plastic waste. This is the purchase invoice of المقاولون العرب, which is also zero for the same reason, which is the plastic waste.
Hello, this is Ahmed. Now we will continue the accounting. We'll go for accounting, then payment entry. Choose مقاولون العرب. As you see, is already submitted and paid like this. And finally, this is the accounting dashboard, as you see. So the total income for this year is 200 and the total expense is 60. So the total profit is 260. And this was the IIS project, and thank you for listening.